You know that sense of aggravation when you try to build a small account and nothing seems to work? If you try countless strategies, you are witness real results. This video is for you. Today we'll introduce you to the method that got me out of the stagnation and can change your game too. A fantastic surprise awaits you guys. Keep on watching to the end and prepare to be amazed. Today we're gonna use Breakout candle and time frame with 30 seconds, right? And we're gonna use pre-indicators. Donchian, alright, let's add this. Donchian Channels, Williams R, and MACD. Okay? So let's start with that. 25 on period, guys. That's simple. Style, that's up to you. Unselect the middle. Alright? Okay. MACD, 4, 10, and 5. And that is the color that it needs to choose or another one. For Williams R, we're gonna use 10 on periods. That's the style right here, okay? But for the main line, guys, you need to select histogram. Alright? Yeah. Now the whole stuff looks right. I spent less than a minute, and I think you won't have any questions. So pause it, repeats all my actions step by step. Let's go and start with that. Alright, guys, the time for trade is 1 minute. It's a fast strategy. The amount that is gonna start with $24. And open a trade and sell trade the red button. Right? Expect the price will fall, guys. So let's get started. This strategy is very logical. I sure wait till we understand that I'm going to talk about. Before we start with this first step, candle should try to break the Donchian channel right here. As you can see that, they try to break that. I see the shadows of the green candles touch the upper line and the indicator several times, and now they stop it and start to go down. At the same time, we have the intersection of the line for MACD. The yellow just crossing the orange one, point to down. That is a downtrend. Okay, and see all the indicators as at the moment has lost in trend and corrections beginning. And then we have the histogram right here, the card of that. But I can know that short if this fall will fall. So I usually with another 24 seconds watch the candles behaving and open trade for the candles have fallen lower. It's step by step, guys, on that is this. And look at this, guys. $6 that I have on that. It's really simple, my guess. Guys, I understand this better. Show you other example. Let's try to close in that direction. Have made profit on this and moving forward for the next one. Let's go with that. Without my help, remember all the steps I mentioned. Candles are trying to break the Donchian channel, intersects of the lines, and the card, the histogram, guys. Remember all of these 3 steps. I see all this here before I open the trade for sale. That is really very good signal because now I can already see the red candles. Which means the correction has already begun. This currencies pair has already started fall even before across the lines. That's cool. I don't see any problem mistake here. So I think this trade will always be profitable and avoid the bad situations. Otherwise, to look at the past correction and see how they occurred. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. If you see that such signals have been successfully, is the past and they could make profit, this will be good and we will always have a good chance in this new signal. But here looks noise and you don't understand what is going on. It's better to skip the signal and watch something else. Another pair. Here I see the past correction looks stable, guys. When look at this and open trade and wait for the results. And it's another profitable for sure, man. That's very good, $87 in that. It's essential to note that this is just one strategy that could change your path in this market. Should go professional, guys. Mastering the best and most profitable methods is necessary. Don't worry. Though I have prepared 2 exclusive results that will be video for your development. And stay tuned until the end of the video, guys, and let's go to the next one. Alright, guys, I don't see any problem here either, so I open trade for buy on that. But I give you some, and that is that can help you a lot. For example, here the trade may be on profit because I see good uptrend with 10 minutes, the current sparks grow and reach the right point before. Alright, it's better to open buy trade here, or it's sell trade. correction that button. I think we'll do understand the logic and the trend is to buy. We are good to make an uptrend here. It's better to open buy trades and the candles have fallen and they trade it for sale. It's a candle just go up, it's scheduled to buy. All right. It's better to open sale trades when the candles have grown. Yeah, you cannot always use that, but it can really help you and your results will be better. Yeah, guys, look at this. For now, that is not respecting. I'm losing that. So let's wait. If you don't get a correction, we're going to lose this. Yeah, I'm losing the signal, guys. I'm losing $20. But that's okay. Look for something more interesting, something better, and try to return that and recover the money. Alright, guys, don't forget that trend is risk and make profit. You need money management strategy. I often write about it in my Telegram. If you just press the button randomly, you will lose money. If you just repeat the actions and don't think about what is happening like this, you will lose money. If you believe you can and look for an easy way to become rich that don't exist, you will be always lose money. Guys, my videos and my projects are not about making quick money. I always write that. So after my videos, only smart and patient people start making profit signals. So very good, they can something help you. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. But in order for your account to grow, you need to learn to understand the logic and behavior of the candles. The partner of that. That is really important, all right? And because of that, I have some videos in my pinned message for the Telegram group that I teach you how to understand and how to use that. So please just watch that, okay? And look at this, guys. Look at that. And with that, I can help you guys. $125 in my account right now. And look at this. It's a lot of money. It's really very good results. I'm taking a break and that. So, guys, I hope this video was useful for you. So, actually, right now, I wish you good trade strategy, good trade profits, and good trade sessions. Yeah, guys, wish you good luck. Okay? Have a good day and see you on my YouTube channel.